Hello. I'm trying to keep my deck going for as long as possible, mostly because of the high timber prices at the moment, but also I need to do some work under it that I'm planning to do next year. To repair, cut away the broken part, then remember to remove the screws. And then you need two pieces. One cut to the same size as the piece that's broken away, and the second one to use as a reinforcement piece. Firstly, the reinforcement piece is screwed in to the two adjacent deck boards. This just reduces the span and makes the whole thing stiffer. And then just replace the new piece of decking, again screwing to both ends as usual. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.